Hi, teacher. My name is Miguel Azael Flota Gonzalez, and today I'm going to tell you about a very special travel experience. And here I would I yet with my friends to Progreso to spend a week on the beach. It was very fun and unforgettable trip. We left early in the morning and arrived on 10. The weather was perfect, sunny and which and lovely breeze. We and stayed in the rented house near the beach, which and the small pool and the beautiful oceanic view. During trip we did lots activities when swam in the oceano, played soccer on the sand, and as we sing in the pier taking pictures. In the evening, we walked along the Björkulac and at the marketitas and sharing tacos. The food was delicious, especially the fresh fish we ordered at the local restaurant. One day there were small problems and one of my friends looked in the cell iPhone in the sand, but luckily we found it after and once minutes. ER's viewed in a search shaped keychain as the souvenir of the trip. My favorite part was watching the sunset together from the beach. The speaking was incredibly colorful and the wordy and loud and listening to music. It was a wonderful experience full laughter, good food, and moments is never for. Thank you.